Manaka odong' odiochieng' achiel kende to piny Kenya biro bedo kadhialo odiochieng'no mano mar kedo kod tuo mar ringa remo e pacho kae. Moko kuom jokanyono kaachiel kod jogo modak kod tuono mago mabende wuok e kaunti ma Kisumu kae ng'ur ni gionge kod yedhe mabende ginyalo tiyo godo mano mar kedo kod tuo maket koda mago. Jotuono bende jokanyonogo ne uloso e kaunti mano ma Kisumu kae kama bende ne giluwo ni okumba mano mar SHA okosebedo ka konyogi ata malo 100 gino mabende chuno nyaka giti kod omenda mowuok e ofuko margi mano mar chwalo chenrogo mago mag thieth.
You will require maybe around 4 billion. That's number one. Number two,
they don't really tend to your needs. They don't really take you as a priority. They don't really take you seriously because you've gone there for clinic, yes. So unasema chenye unapeleka kwa clinic afu una nini, you're written for the like unaandikiwa nini madawa, afu kuandikiwa madawa unaenda kwa nini, unaenda kwa pharmacy.
Many warriors are not able to pay the SHA subscription, and they are requesting that if the government and the stockholders can work into this and maybe reduce it to a maximum of 300 shillings. Because these warriors are not working, and many of them, most of the time, suffer from crisis. And
SHA works, yes, but it is not so much comprehensive. It only covers the admission of sickle cell patients. But away from that, as warriors and as caregivers, we get to pay and buy drugs from our own pockets. We've talked about sickle cell much because we want resources to be allocated in sickle cell institutions.
They have also raised the issues of access to medicine back in the peripheries, which is a county affair. They would like hydroxyurea and NCD medication to be available in every ward and every level 3 facility and above, which I think is a fair request. We are working already towards that by ensuring that we have wellness centers in each and every ward, and I think we will be completing that work this financial year. So it's a fair request and we are taking that into consideration.